Wagemaster tutorials. Today we're going through how to resolve employee log profile issue in your Wagemaster file. Let's jump right in. I already opened my Wagemaster, as you can see on the screen. So usually this issue happen when you, while working on the Wagemaster file, for example, if you're processing wages or if you're editing some employee information, and if the program crash or it's having some had issues with the database wise, that's where, for a safety reason, Wagemaster design automatically to lock the data, so it prevent losing any data for the employee. So usually you're gonna notice if you click on an employee and if you go into employee profile, sometimes you will get a pop-up message here: this employee's profile is locked from this computer, and it will give the computer name and like a message. So it won't let you to look at any of employee past pay slip or any of other data, especially with the past pays. Most of the time you're gonna notice as soon as you go onto the employee profile, and if you click on the past pays, you're not going to see this screen. It will give you a pop-up saying this employee profile is locked from this computer. So how are we going to resolve it? So you just need to do a database maintenance to let the Wagemaster know if there's any corrupted data attached to that employee. It will clear that up, or it will fix from the database. So you go into file and the drop down, select maintenance, and you go database maintenance. It will get this backup. Always create this backup, so it will give us just in case if something went wrong. These backups are very crucial to retrieve your data back. And it will open the welcome to database maintenance. Click on next. That's the company selection. You don't need to pretty much select anything. It will automatically select the company file, then the compact database sorry. So make sure you check this box to acknowledge the message and click on next, and it's finished. So once you finish it, you can always go back to the employee and see whether you can check the past pays. So there's a really good help article that we created regarding this issue. So you can always search on the employee log profile or employee record file locked on the search or the Wagemaster Help Center, and you can follow the exact instructions in here. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our Help Center articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.